Hi, I'm Cindy Kruger, and today I'm going to show you how the QBE and Searching facility works in LegalSuite. Firstly, QBE stands for Query by Example, and it's LegalSuite's most powerful searching tool. It allows you to search using English-based sentences. So for example, you want to look for a receipt that went through containing a certain voucher number, whereas before you'll have to go and search just receipts and go through and have a look which ones contain that voucher number. So in the accounting screen, if you have a look at, for example, your matters, you'll see there's a little QBE icon here which allows you to search your matters using QBE. But I'm going to show you how to go and, for example, go and look for transactions under your matter transactions. So you go to Browse on your top toolbar, you go down to the QBE option, and you go down to matter transactions. So what I want to look for is I want to look for all receipts that are 500 Rand. So I'll go to the QBE option and I'm going to say I want to search for the amount. You got different options here: equals, greater than, less than, or does not equal. I'm going to say equal, and I want to find all the receipts for 500 Rand. I'll say add, and I want it to be the book type, and it is or is not, and you can drop down, you can see the various book types. I want receipt, and I'll say and I will tell you you're looking for all the receipts where the amount equals 500 Rand and the book type is a receipt. And you'll see that it shows you how many records will be displayed. So if you go proceed, it will then filter out your screen here for you, so you can then see exactly which receipts came in for 500 Rand. And you'll see it further breaks it down into trust and business for you as well. So now you've got this, what do you want to do with it? You can then go to the printer, which allows you to print a user definable report. So if you click on the printer, what's nice about this is that you can choose which columns you want to appear on the report and in the order that you want them to appear. So if I want the date to be first, I click on date, and you'll see it put a number 1 next to it. I then want the amount to be second, and I want the description to be third. Okay, you can then say where you want the report to go into the destination at the top, and you can say print. It will then create the report for you with the parameters that you selected. So example, the date, 500 Rand, and it was a receipt. Okay, so that's how you search your matter transactions. Let's say, for example, you want to search now all your business ledger transactions. You want to see which receipts came in that were just for the trust bank account. You can go browse, QBE, business ledger. Okay, once again the QBE icon, and we're going to say where the amount equals 500 Rand, add, and where the trust bank account is the trust bank or is not the trust bank, and then it says for me 7 records will be displayed. And if I go proceed, it will show me the 7 records, and once again you can use the print user definable report to print out the report showing you your 7 records. So that's the QBE option. It's very powerful as it allows you to search for different options. You can use 3, 4, 5, 6 different filters if you'd like, and the system will go through and it will find the transactions that you're looking for. The next option is a search option on your matter screen. So not the QBE icon, we're going to go to the search for a matter option. If you click on search for a matter, it's going to ask you, do you want to search all matters, filtered matters, or just the results of my favorite? So I'm going to use all matters. And these are the different options that you have. So you can select which option you're looking for. I'm going to use matter description. And you can say either with it starting with, or containing, or equals to. So if you know specifically what the matter description is, you can then go and say equals to and fill in the matter description. But I'm going to use containing, and I'm going to say Kruger. Okay, then you can either click on the search option, or you can use the F2 key on your keyboard, and it will run through and it will search for all your matters that have a description containing Kruger, and it will show you the various matters. You can then tag these matters, so on the matter screen the matters will be tagged, or you can highlight the one that you want to go to and go select, and the system will automatically take you to that matter. The next option in accounting, and the final one I'm going to go through today, is searching by an invoice number. So in other words, your client pays money, but he pays by an invoice number. We have a nice little feature in the receipts tab which allows you to search for that invoice number. So what you'll do is you'll go to the receipts, you'll go to trust receipt to capture it, and by account you'll click on the little ellipse button, and by the ellipse button you're going to go to the search option, the search folder here, which allows you to search by invoice number. You're going to fill in the invoice number, and you go OK. The system will then highlight the matter that's linked to that invoice number. You can then select the matter, and you can continue to insert in the receipt for that amount that's been paid as per the invoice number. And that's QBE and the various searching options in LegalSuite.